Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tasmia and today I'll be sharing with you on how I achieve these loose curls on my straight hair using flat iron in simple easy steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to achieve the loose curl look, here I will be using a serum to protect my hair from the heat, a flat iron, a few clips and hairspray. So firstly remove all the tangles from your hair, and once that's done, section out your hair into two. Once the tangles are removed, apply a hair serum to protect the hair from the heat of the flat iron. Since I'll be curling the hair on one side first, hence I'm tying a knot on the other side so that these hair don't come in between. I will be sectioning out 1 inch of the hair every time and curling them. So here I'll be starting from the back part. Firstly, comb the hair to remove any remaining tangles. Here I will be using a flat straightener. I've already turned on to heating mode. Place the iron as close as possible till the root and then flip the hair once. Rotate the iron twice upwards so you can see the hair coming out from the flat iron. Start pulling down the straightener slowly and keep pulling the outer section of the hair so that there is a little pressure. So once the hair is loose, quickly rotate the curls and clip it on until the hair is cooled down so that the curls will remain. So now do the same process by sectioning out the other side of the hair. So the process is section out the hair in two sides. Comb the hair to remove any excess tangles and then apply a hair serum. On one side of the hair, section out the hair in 1 inch. Place the heated iron as close as possible to the hairline. Flip the hair towards the up. Then rotate the iron towards the head twice and start bringing the iron down to bring the curls. So once the hair is cooled down, remove the clips and apply a hairspray, especially towards the ends of the hair, so that the curls remain for a longer period of time. These flat iron curls give very voluminous hair that pretty much look good with any outfit and can be worn anywhere. And yeah, it looks good on, I think, almost everybody. Woo! So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, then do let me know in the comments down below, and do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.